guys, here you can see it. One more video has been came about the Django, and in today's Django video, I am telling you about the global static files. If you don't know what's global static files, so see the video start to end, and your whole concept will be clear about it. What a global static file in Django. So please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss a future latest video. So now let's move to computer screen, and please like this video, share for and subscribe to my channel, and all the notification bell also. So now I did not take a long time, so let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, here you can see one more video admin came about the Django, and in today's Django video I'm telling about the global static files. If you don't know what is global static file in Django, so in today's video your whole concept will be clear about it. So let's get started without wasting a time. How to add a global CSS file. We have learned how to add a static file in the application static folder and how to use it in the application. But if other applications in your project want to use the file, so what you can do? Then we have to create a folder on the root directory and put the files there. It is enough to create a static folder in the root directory, and Django will fix the rest. We have to tell Django where to look for these static files. We have already made one folder by the name of static, and in this folder I put here one file by the name of myfirst.css. Start by creating a folder on the project's root level. This folder can be whatever you like. I will call it my static files in this tutorial. Add a CSS file in the my static files folder. The name is your choice. We will call it myglobal.css in this example. Open the CSS file and insert the following. Okay, you open your CSS file. Let me open it, and my CSS file name is myfirst.css, and you insert like color violet, like here. Color should be violet. Now, like that. So now you modify your settings.py file. Okay, you will tell to Django to also look for static files in my statics file folder in the root directory. This is done in the settings.py file. Add a static dirs list. Copy it in your, where is your settings.py file? Where? Now, where's our settings.py file? Okay, here's our, yeah, here is. So here we paste this code. Now, like that. In the static files dir list, you can list all the directories where the Django should look for static files. The base dir keyword represents the root directory of the project, and together with the / my static files, it means the my static files folder in the root directory. Search order. If we have a files with the same name, Django will use the first occurrence of the file. The search starts in the directories listed in the static file dir using the order you have provided. Then, if the file is not found, the search continues in the static folder of each application. Modify the template. Now you have a global CSS file for the entire project, which can be accessed from all your application. To use it in the template, use the same syntax as you did for the myfirst.css file. Begin the template with the following, like that, and refer to the file like this. Okay, like that. Copy it, go on your template.html file and paste it like that. Now, this one more example here you can see it. Let me copy it and let me paste it. In this file, we define myglobal.css, and let's make one file by the name of myglobal.css. myglobal.css. Now, let's come on it here. Didn't work? That is correct. You need to collect the static files once time again. If it is that didn't work, collect the static file. Run the collect static command to collect the new static file. Will produce this type of result. How to do it? You only write here py manage.py collect style. If it is giving you error, like py manage.py collect static. like that. Now let's come on it, which will produce this type of result, and type yes, which will produce this type of result. The example should work. Start the server and example will work. Start your server, py run server, like that. Then your server will be start. I'm not writing it because I'm not using a Visual Studio Code. Then check out the result in your browser. Like this one example is here. Now let me copy it, and this example you will paste it in your templates.py file. Okay, like that. So now here you can see it. In today's video we learn about what are in the Django, what are how to collect the static files, and in today's video the main topic is the global static files I have told you in the Django. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also, so never miss our future later videos. So I'm using next lesson, next video, amazing like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.